I have 100, 16 tens, and 3 ones. What number am I? So again, let's start by making this number. So first I have 100. I'm going to change that to green for this problem. 16 tens. So that means I'm going to drag over 16 10 sticks. This might take just a second. So we have 1. And I'm going to make these red because we've been working with red cube trains today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, might run out of room here. Let's see. 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We'll just put this last one here, but we know that there's a hundreds piece underneath that. All right, so there's our 16 tens, and we only need 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And we're just going to put those up here for now. All right, so let's look at what we have. We have 100, 16 tens, whew, that's a lot of tens, and 3 ones. So what number is this going to be? Well, the first thing I notice, again, is that there's a lot of tens here. So I'm going to ask myself, do I have enough tens to where I could make a group of 100 with these tens? Because surely I can get rid of some of these because there's a lot of tens there. So remember, if I have at least 10 tens, then I can make a group of 100 because 100 is the same as 10 groups of 10. So because I have 16 tens and there's a 1 in the tens place in the number 16, that tells me that I have at least one group of 10. So let's put 10 of these cube trains together. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can scroll down just a little bit. There we go. All right, so there is my new group of 100. I'm even going to make it green since it's no longer groups of 10. Now it is one group of 100. So now our number looks a little different. We still have the same amount, but it is easier to read now because now I have 2 hundreds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 1, 2, 3 ones. I don't have enough ones to make a new group of 10, so those are going to have to stay the way they are. And I don't have enough tens to make another group of 100, so those are going to stay how they are as well. So if I have 2 hundreds, that's 100, 200, plus 6 tens, so 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 261, 262, 263. So my number is 263. Another way you might have thought about it that might have been a little easier for you is if you look at 16 tens. Notice again, there's a 1 in the tens place here. So if I have 16 groups of 10, that means that I also have one group of 10 tens. So you might have thought, well, if I have one group of 10 tens, that means that this right here is basically another 100. So 100 plus this other group of 10 tens, which is 200. And then you're left with the 6 tens, which is 60, and your 3 ones. So 263. So that might have been another way you could have thought about it too.